Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Pani Popo. Pani Popo is sweet coconut buns. It comes from Samoa, and it has been adapted to part of Hawaii's food. There are two ways to make this. One easy way is to buy dinner rolls, then add the sweet coconut sauce and bake it. The other way is to make the dinner rolls from scratch, which I will be showing in this video. To make the rolls, mix together 2 cups milk, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 large eggs, 6 tablespoons of softened butter, slowly add in 5 cups of flour. Once the dough starts to come off of the bowl easily, flour a flat surface and start to knead the dough. Sprinkle in flour when it starts to become sticky. Keep kneading until the desired consistency. Transfer the dough to a lightly greased mixing bowl. Then cover it with a towel and let it rise for 90 minutes. In the meantime, heat a saucepan over medium heat. Add in 2 cans of coconut milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. Cook it by stirring constantly until it begins to thicken slightly, usually 5 to 7 minutes until it begins to thicken. Set aside the coconut sauce and let it cool down. Once the dough has completely risen, punch it to deflate it. Divide the dough up into 12 to 14 pieces. Shape each piece into a ball by forming it with your hands. Either place it in a 9x13 pan or, in my case, a skillet. Once all the rolls have been placed, cover the rolls and let it rise again for 45 minutes. Halfway through the rise, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Uncover the rolls and add in enough of the coconut sauce to cover the bottom. Bake the bread in the oven for 25 minutes or until the rolls have become golden brown. Pour the remaining coconut sauce over the rolls, or save some of it to add more on an individual roll. Serve it hot and enjoy this onalicious sweet treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!